Hey everyone, welcome home to Safe Haven. It's Britonny. So I am super excited for today's video because in today's video I'll be showing you two homes for under 9 million Jamaican dollars. So if you're interested in seeing these listings, continue watching. Alright you guys, so this one is truly a rare gem in Kingston. This is a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment being sold for, wait for it, 8 million Jamaican dollars. This one is going to go quickly. Alright, so what I can tell you about this property so far is that it's located in the Kingston 3 area. Alright, 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom, going for $8 million, and it's in a gated community with adequate spaces for parking, etc. So if you're interested in this one here, as you can see, this would be perfect for a young professional, single person, right? Or, you know, a couple. So if you're interested in this one, $8 million, 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment in Kingston. This one, guys, I'm probably just going to say this is going to go this week because that's how quickly these affordable places go in Kingston, Jamaica. So immediately as I saw this is a new listing, I had to just come and share it with you guys. So the person you're going to contact for this one is Audley Stewart, and I'm going to link all his information in the description box below. Now the description box is the area that's right below the title of this video, right? So where you'd read more, so you'd have to click the link in the description box, and that will take you to get all the information for the realtor if you want to see, you know, do a tour, or if you want, you know, do a tour and jump on this opportunity. Like this one truly shocked me when I saw it, so I just had to make this video. I didn't even plan to use the video, but I just had to make this video to show you this home and another one that I'm going to show you. So Kingston 3 area, 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom. The next home I have to show you guys is this one here, located in Kingston Portmore, and it's listed for 8.5 million Jamaican dollars. Now this is one of the Portmore Quads, and it sits on a lot size of 1,199 square feet. So essentially what this is like a studio, right? And it has land space and room for expansion. So pretty popular, the Portmore Quads that everyone speaks about. A lot of persons bash them for being so small, but it is affordable housing. And I've heard persons say, you know, if I could go back in time and buy a Portmore Quad when they were so affordable, I would have bought one and I would not have bashed them. I have literally heard many persons say that now. So here is your opportunity to own one of the Portmore Quads, right? The realtor that you're going to reach out to is Michelle Chin, and I will link all her information in the description box below. So click the link to reach out to Michelle Chin on this one here. So it is essentially a studio setup, as you can see. You're going to have like your bedroom, your living, and kitchen inside of like a open concept, and of course your bathroom would be like cornered off separately. So if you are interested in this one, and guys, remember, these homes can be used as either your primary residence, or they could be potential, you know, income earners. You could rent them out. So Kingston will always fetch a good rent as long as it's in a pretty decent area, and both of these homes are in quite decent areas, not the most upscale areas of course, but decent areas that do fetch decent renting prices. So I actually know someone who's renting a Portmore Quad right now, so, and they are a young professional just like myself. So if you're interested in any of these properties, reach out to the realtors and they can help you in the process of acquiring one of these homes. So that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit that notification bell if you enjoyed today's content. And remember, you know guys, if you know someone looking for a house, and you've always watched my video, share this video with them. All right,